Hello. So our discussion question yesterday was asking, does the moon rotate as it orbits around Earth? The answer is that it does. I want you to imagine that the quarter is like the Earth and that the penny is like the moon. Notice how Lincoln's face is sort of looking at the Earth. Envision that as the side of the moon we always see, and you'll notice if you do some observations, you'll notice the same craters are visible to the Earth at all times. So this is kind of how it looks as it orbits. As the moon is orbiting Earth, we're going to keep Lincoln's face constantly looking at the Earth. Okay, so those same craters that we see are always visible. And notice I have to turn it slightly as I orbit around so that Lincoln's face continues to look at Earth. Okay, and so from Earth, we see the same side of the moon all the time. If it didn't rotate, it would look something like this. Okay, and at this point, you can already see we'd be looking at the back of Lincoln's head, which doesn't happen. So again, as the moon orbits the Earth, it does rotate. Okay, something like that. So Lincoln's face is looking at the Earth the whole time. Okay, so my question to you then is, how long is a day on the moon and how long is a year on the moon? Okay, knowing that it takes the moon about 29 days to orbit around the Earth, okay, and it takes that same amount of time for the moon to rotate once, how long is a day on the moon and how long is a year on the moon? That's our discussion question for today.